Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12, exponent and the powers. And in chapter 12, we discuss exercise 12.2. And before it, we discuss standard form and usual form. So let's see what is the standard form. We let any number like this. Okay, this is a usual form. Okay, so we change it in standard form. How we change? So we know here the digit and decimal point is here of every numbers. So we move decimal numbers to left until one digit is left. Okay, so we can write it decimal move to left until one digit to left. So one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit left to left side. Okay, so we can write it 1.2 into 10 power. Okay, how many digit left? Decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write here. Okay, so standard form of this number 12,000 is 1.2 into 10 power 4. You can see other next example like that 1496. Okay, change it, convert it the given number in standard form. So in this numbers where is decimal? Decimal is here last. Okay, here we take decimal. So uh, we decimal point move at left side until one digit left to the decimal point. Okay, so decimal move one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit, five digit, six digit, seven digit. Okay, until one digit is left. So here you can write 1.46496. Okay, into and 10 power. What is 10 power? The number of digit moved by decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So decimal point is move left at a 7 digit. So you can write here 7. Okay, this is clear. We take some example, which is very small number. This is very large number. Okay, so we write in standard form like this. Okay, and we take some small numbers and we convert it in standard form. This is a cell of plant size. The size of plant cell and 0.0000125. Okay, this is a size of plant cell. Okay, so we convert it in standard form. You can see here decimal is here. Okay, decimal is here. So decimal look left where right hand side, right side or left side. So decimal move left side until one digit is left. Okay, so decimal left is here from here in this point one point something. Okay, so okay, so in this case move the decimal point to the right till you get just one digit to the left of decimal. Okay, so this is decimal point move the right. Okay, till you get one digit left to decimal point. So uh, you can also write it 1 2 3 4 5 1 point 2 7 5 into how many digit decimal left to right move how many digit decimal move to right 1 2 3 4 5. So we write 5 when decimal move to right the power of 10 is minus. Okay, and when the decimal move to to left, the power of 10 is plus. You can also write this question like that, 0.0000127 this is equal to 1275 divided by number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is the decimal numbers. You can convert it in fraction numbers. This is fractions. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so you can write it 1275 by 10 to the power 8. Okay, also this number you can write 1.275 into 10 power 3. Okay, by 10 power 8. Clear? This is clear. Now you know this law of exponents a power m by a power m. This is equal to a power m minus m. Okay, so here you can see, you can write both base have same. Okay, so you can write 1.257 into 10 power 3 minus 8. This is equal to 1.257 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, this is clear. So we directly convert the given number in standard form. Okay, this is usual form. We change it standard form. Okay, sometimes given in standard form, and we write it in a usual form like this. Suppose here 1.25 into 10 power 4. This is a standard form. Okay, so we write it in usual form. How we write it in usual form? We can write 1.25 into 1 2 3 and 4. Power is 4, so we can write here 1 2 3 4. 1 लिखकर 4 zeros. Okay, and you just multiply it 1.25 into 10,000. Okay, this becomes 1 2 5. How many 0? 4 0. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so where is decimal? Decimal after 2 digits. 1 2. Here decimal. Okay, so you can write it 12500. Okay, after this, after decimal 0 after decimal is no value. Okay, decimal के बाद के 0 कोई value नहीं होती. Okay, so you can write like this. So this is a 12,500. Okay, this is usual form, and this is a standard form. This is a usual form. Okay, so now we are going to solve exercise 12.2, question number 1. Let's see. This is a part A of question number A. Okay, so here this is given 0.000085. Okay, so decimal move to right. Okay, until one digit left. It means that decimal reaches here. Okay, so here 8 after 8 digit. Okay, so how many digit move decimal to right? So count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so you can write 8.5 decimal move here. Okay, because decimal move in right hand side, then the number, then the power of 10 is minus. Okay, so how many digit move? 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you write here minus 12. Clear? जितना डिजिट डेसिमल लेफ्ट मूव करेगा उतना 10 के पावर माइनस दिस हम राइट करते हैं. ओके, here you can see how many digit left? 12 digit. डेसिमल को हम लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड 1 डिजिट के बाद लिखते हैं. Okay, so this becomes 8.5 into 10 power minus 12. Let's see B part of this question. Okay, so B part is 0.0. This is the B part. Okay, so you can see this is very small number, so we can change it in standard form. So here decimal point is here, so this point is moved after 1 digit in right hand side, in right. Okay, sorry, in right side. Okay, so how many digits he move? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so you can write here 9 point after 1 digit. Okay, 4 2 into 10 power minus 12, because decimal is moved in right 12 places. Okay, decimal move in right 12 places, so we can write here 10 power minus 12. Okay, now C part, sorry, third part of this question number 1. What is the third part? Let's see. So this is the third part. 602 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, this is a given number. This is a very small number, but you write it in very uh, this is very large number. You write it in a standard form. Okay, so here you can see here is no decimal point in such numbers. Decimal is here at last. Okay, at last. Okay, so decimal is here, and we decimal point is moved from here to left hand side till 1 digit left. Okay, जब तक मूव करता है जब तक कि 1 डिजिट बच जाए बस. ओके, सो decimal यहाँ पे होता है, मूव करेगा 1 डिजिट here to कहाँ से यहाँ से मूव करेगा कहाँ तक, यहाँ तक मूव करेगा. ठीक है, until 1 digit left, जब तक कि 1 डिजिट में बचा रहता है तब तक मूव करता रहता है. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड मूव करेगा, लेफ्ट साइड में मूव करेगा 10 पावर पॉजिटिव रहता है. कितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस मूव कर रहा है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so you can write here 6.02 into 10 power 15. Okay, you can see decimal moved from here this point to this point in left hand side. When decimal move left hand side, the power of 10 is positive. When decimal move in left right side, okay, so power of 10 is negative. This is clear. Let's see. And fourth part. What is the fourth? So fourth part is 0.00000000837. Okay, we write in standard form the given number. This is very small number. Okay, so decimal point is here, so decimal point move to right till you get just uh, the 1 point left, 1 digit left of decimal point. ओके, तो यहाँ से हम डेसिमल पॉइंट को मूव कराएंगे राइट साइड. सो यहाँ तक 1 डिजिट लेफ्ट, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 8.1 डिजिट लेफ्ट 37 into 10 to the power. Why? Because the decimal left in right side, so 10 to the power is minus. So what is, how many digits left, how many places left? Move the decimal point. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can write here 10 power minus 10. Clear? You can write here 10 power minus 10. Okay. So in this way, we write the given number in standard form. Standard form of this number is 8.37 into 10 power minus 10. Clear? Fifth part of this number is okay. This is a fifth part of question number 1. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. We need to convert it in standard form. So decimal is add it at last. Okay. So here is a decimal. We suppose. So decimal point move to left until one digit left. Okay. So decimal is यहाँ पे आएगा आपका this is equal to 3.186 into how many places decimal move. So we can write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 power minus 10. Okay. Now, so student, I hope all of you understood how to convert in usual form to standard form. Okay. And now question number 2. Question number 2 have express the following numbers in usual form. It means that in standard form is given like this. This form is given. We write this form. So let's see how to solve this question. Question number 2, part 1, 3.02 into 10 power minus 6. Okay. So I hope all of you know, and this law of exponent a to the power m is equal to 1 by a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m, or you can write a to the power m, this is equal to 1 by a to the power minus. Clear? This is clear. So use this law, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by m. Okay. So you can write this number 3.202 into, or you can write like this 10 power 6. Clear? This is the standard form. We write it in usual form. Okay. So you know 3.02 we write as it is, but here what is this? 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay. So it's become, if you divide this by 10 lakh, it's become 0. This is 60, but this is 3.02, so it's become 0.50. 1 2 3 4 5 3 0. Okay, this is a usual form. Okay, we convert standard form into usual. Now next part, second part of question number 2. Second part, 4.5 into 10 power 4. Okay, so you know 10 power 4 is equal to 4.5 into 10 power 4 is equal to 10,000. Okay, this is equal to 10,000. Okay, if you multiply this 4.5 by 10,000, then you obtain 4.451230. So where is the decimal? Decimal is after one digit. After one digit decimal, so you can write here decimal. Okay. So you can write it 45,000. Clear? Now, third form. Third part of this question is 3 into 10 power minus 8. 3 into 10 power minus 8. This is the third part of this question number 2. So you can write it as 3 by 10 power 8. Also you can write it 3 by 6 to 8. Okay. If you divide 3 by this number, so you obtain 0. How many zeros? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Clear? Now fourth part of this question 2. Fourth part is 1.0001 into 10 power 9. Fourth part is 1.0001 into 10 power 9. Okay, so you can write it. This is equal to 1.0001. You write as it is into 10 power 9 is you write 190. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and multiply by this, so you obtain 10001 000000000. Okay, so you can see here after how many digits decimal. So here you can see decimal is after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write decimal after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put decimal here. Okay. So our number is this 10001. How many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our required number. Okay. This number, this is the standard form. You convert standard form in usual form. Okay. And now the fifth part of this question number 2 is 5.8. This is fifth part. 5.8 into 10 power 12. Okay, then if you convert it 5.8 into how many zero? 12 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you can see here 5.1. That means that 1 0 you can see, and we have to 11 0. This is equal to 5 8. How many zero we have? 11 0 0, because 1 0 is cancelled by 1 decimal, because here you can see decimal is after 1 digit, so 1 0 is cancelled. So we have to here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, this is the card numbers. Clear? Now sixth part of this question 3.61492 into 10 power 6. Sixth part 3.61492 into 10 power 6. Okay, this is given. We convert it in usual form. So you can write it 3.61492 into 10 lakh. 360. Okay, here decimal after a 5 digit. Okay, so you can write it 3.61492. How many zeros? 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, So decimal after 5 digits. So you can write here decimal after 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decimal is here. Okay. So after decimal के बाद के जीरो का वैल्यू नहीं होती है. After decimal, अब decimal zero after decimal is meaningless. Okay. So you can you can write it 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2. This is our required numbers. Okay. And 36 lakh 14,920. Now we are going to discuss question number 3 of this exercise. This is given 1 micron. 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay. 1 micron is equal to 10 lakhs. We write it in standard form. So you can write it 1 upon how many 060. Okay. So this is meter. So you can write it 10 power 6. Okay. You know this formula. A minus m is equal to 1 upon a by m. Here this is positive. To take right micrometer, write like this 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. इसका ऊपर जाओगे तो जाएगा इसका पावर माइनस हो जाएगा. Okay. In this way you find 1 micron is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter. Clear? Now second part of this question, charge of an electron is 0.000000000016 coulomb. Okay. So let's see. So here given charge of electron. Charge of an electron is equal to 0.123 123 123 123 123 123 5 and 3 1 6. This is given. Okay. In coulomb. Okay. This is given in coulomb. So we write the charge of electrons 0.18016. Okay. So we write it in a standard form. So here you can see and decimal is here. So decimal is moved to right hand side till 1 digit left of decimal point. Okay. तो decimal यहाँ तक कहाँ तक मूव करेगा आफ्टर 1. Okay. तो कितना डिजिट मूव करेगा काउंट how many places decimal move to right side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So 1.6 into 10 power. You can see here decimal move in right. So 10 power is negative. So minus 19 coulomb. Okay. This is clear. Now, next part. Size of bacteria is 0.000005 meters. So we need to convert it in standard form. Clear? This is the third part. Okay. Size of bacteria is equal to 0.1234565 meter. Okay, this is given. The size of bacteria is equal to this. We need to convert it in a standard form. So decimal point move to right side. Okay, after 1 digit left until after one digit left. Okay, so decimal point move after 5. This is now 5.0. So how many digits left? How many places left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write 5.0 into 10 power minus meter. Okay, and last question number 4. Remaining part of this question you can do yourself. And now we are going to discuss question number 4 of this exercise 12.2. Question number 4 है, in a stack there are 5 books each of thickness 20 millimeters and 5 papers sheet each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? So in stacks 5 books and 5 papers. Okay, the thickness of one book is 20 mm, is 20 millimeters, and the thickness of one paper is 0.016 millimeters. So number of books is 5. So total thickness of 5 books is 20 into 5, because the thickness of one book is 20. So number of books is 5. So thickness of 5 books is 20 into 5 is 100 millimeters. Okay. Now thickness of one paper is given 0.016 millimeters and the number of papers is 5. So thickness of 5 paper is equal to 0.016 into 5. This is equal to 0.08 millimeters. Okay. So total thickness of a stack is 100 plus 0.08 millimeter. This is equal to 100.08 millimeters. Okay. This is clear. So let's see how to solve this. So in this question, given number of books is 5, and the number of papers is also 5. Okay. So thickness of one book, thickness of one book is equal to 20 millimeter. Okay, this is given. So we have 5 books. So find thickness of 5 books. Thickness of 5 books. This is 20 into 5, 100 millimeter. Clear? Now, thickness of one paper sheet. This is given thickness of one paper. So we can write here thickness of one paper. This is equal to 0.016 mm. So how many papers we have? We have 5 papers. So we find thickness of 5 papers. Thickness of 5 papers. This is equal to 5 into 0.016 mm. This is equal to 0.08 mm. If you multiply 5 into 1.016, this is equal to, this is millimeter. Okay, mm means millimeter. Clear? So now you find the total thickness of stack. Total thickness of stack is equal to 100 mm plus 0.08 mm. This is equal to 100.08 mm. Clear? If you need to write it in standard form, So it becomes decimal move in left hand side. How many digits? 1, 2. So we have 1.0008 into 10 power 2 mm. So you can write in standard form like this: 1.0008 into 10 power 2 mm. Okay, because here decimal is after 2 digits, and we move decimal left to until we get just 1 digit left after decimal points. Okay, so decimal point से 2 digit move करेंगे और we have done 1.008. Okay, how many places decimal move? Decimal move in left in 2 places. Okay, so it's become 1.008 into 10 power 2 mm. So in this way we are completing the exercise at 12.2 and also its chapter exponent and powers. Okay, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.